Hey there, it's Dr. Appalraju again. And listen, is your body rusting? Like literally rusting from the inside out? What am I talking about? Well, everyone's looking for the fountain of youth, the proverbial fountain of youth. Everyone wants to live a long time and have energy, but they also want to look good while they're doing that. And in our environment and in our own bodies, there's stresses that are happening. And we call that oxidation, which does accelerate aging, makes you a higher risk for all kinds of health concerns, such as cancer or cardiovascular disease. But it is part of normal life. And an example would be if you cut an apple and after a few minutes, you'll notice that it starts to turn brown on the inside. Well, that's oxidation. Also, if you have a copper penny, it starts to get green over a period of time, especially if there's moisture. Or, for example, wrought iron, it starts to rust. And our bodies are literally rusting over time. When we're young, we don't notice it. But as you get older, certainly we are rusting from the inside out. And what's really happening? What's going on? Well, as an example, when you eat something, our body is creating energy and we require a lot of energy. So we eat, sometimes we eat a little too much, but our cells, our mitochondria, the energy powerhouses are making energy that our body can use. And as a consequence of that, it creates oxygen, which is taking electrons. We don't want to get too, chemical and into too much detail, but oxygen steals electrons from other components in and creates free radicals. Free radicals are highly, highly reactive structures within our bodies, and they go hunting for electrons from anything around them. If it was your DNA, this is typically where DNA damage happens, and potentially cancer. We get mutations and cancer could happen. If it was proteins, then you get protein dysfunction, and sometimes that creates different types of diseases. So how do we minimize that damage? Well, our bodies do naturally have some systems to help protect us and to repair damage. Sometimes when the damage gets out of control, the cells will actually die. So we have a system where cells will die, which are not healthy. However, one thing that we can do and consume more fruits and vegetables. When you're young, like I said, you have lots of systems there to protect you. How do you decrease the rusting that's happening within your body? Well, certainly healthy habits, which includes exercise, no smoking, decreasing your stress in your environment, Mediterranean type diet, so lots of fruits and vegetables, lots of sleep, lots of water, and perhaps meditation or something like that to reduce that amount of stress in your overall system. So there are things you can do to help reduce the amount of rusting that your body is undergoing. And over time, you will find that you're not aging as quickly as your chronological age, and biologically you'll be a bit younger. So if there's anything you're doing that's working for you to keep you looking young, healthy, and vital, drop a comment below. If you think somebody would benefit from this post, maybe they have some bad habits they want to switch, then perhaps forward this post to them and share it. I appreciate your comments. And for this episode, remember, you only have one life, so live it well. Take care and stay well out there.